streetcars. Old-fashioned streetcar. Ooh, it looks like you can go up into it. This one's going to the Civic Center. Ding ding! It's coming out. Streetcar. And there's a train over there. Welcome to a day out with Thomas. Oh, Percy's here too. Take this car to Bullock's downtown. See you next time. Have old photos of Disneyland and the railroad. You might recognize these guys because they are indeed from Disneyland. And when they remodeled or did something, they moved them here to the Southern California Railroad Museum. Okay, this is the Middleton Museum. Old-time technology, nostalgic items of yesteryear. Admission free. But it's closed now because it's only open from 9 to 11 on Saturdays and Sundays. And we just missed it. So something to note. Looks like fun. We'll have to come back again.